Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to insert footnote and endnote in a Word document. And in order to do that, we will first need to go to the Reference tab. Now, when it comes to referencing, a lot of us immediately think of the Harvard style of referencing or the Chicago style of referencing, but these are academic referencing. These are normally used for academic papers or publication. Now, footnote and endnote, on the other hand, are often used in corporate settings where you don't need to be so formal, but you still want to provide some sort of reference for the readers. All right, so how do we insert footnote? Well, very simple. Now, first go to your document and then click on the part where you want to insert the footnote. For example, you have just finished writing about different galleries and you want to insert a footnote about galleries for readers. All right, so go to the end of that sentence, then go to insert footnote. Okay, and you can see that Word had inserted a footnote at the end of that particular page. Now, footnote appears at the end of the page, and then endnote will appear at the end of the document or the end of a section. Alright, so let's enter our first footnote, gallery footnote, and then usually you provide a link, gallery.com. Okay, and that is done. Now, once you are done, then you can just hover your mouse to the main document and then you go back to the main document. In a similar way, you can insert a second footnote. Okay, so go to the part of the cell where you want to insert a second footnote. Go to insert footnote, and let's say this is the second footnote. Okay, that is done. Now let's go to the next page and insert the third footnote. Okay, insert footnote. And this is the third footnote. Okay, and that is done. Now, footnote is very smart in that if you add or delete a new footnote, then the numbering will change automatically. For example, I'm going to copy this sentence. It contains a second footnote, and I'm going to paste it later in the document. For example, I'm going to make it a separate paragraph. And then you can see that once I paste the sentence containing the second footnote, then Word automatically updates the footnote numbering and it becomes the third footnote. Okay, and if I delete a footnote, for example, let's delete the second footnote here. And let's see what happens. Then you can see that number 3, the third footnote, becomes the second footnote and so on. So you don't have to worry about numbering. Word will automatically handle this for us. All right, now let's go to inserting an endnote. Now, an endnote is a note that will appear at the end of the document, or if your document is split into different sections, then it will appear at the end of the section. Okay, so very similar to endnote. Insert endnote, and this is the first endnote. If you want to enter a second one, then just say insert endnote, and this is the second endnote. And if you will notice, the numbering for footnote starts from 1 to 3. This is quite straightforward, but the numbering for endnotes follow the Roman numeral, so it would be like this. But you can change it any way you like, so just click anywhere on the document and then go to the footnote and endnote dialog box. And then in the number format for endnote, make sure you select the second option, which is endnote. Just change it to the one that you like. For example, let's change it to ABC. ABC like this. All right, and select apply. And you can see the endnotes has changed from Roman numbers to ABC. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.